Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna do a video uh, from today forward. Today is June 3rd, 2011, on Forex and currency trading and basically things that happen during a day and the kind of moves that I'm gonna make. Now, today was Friday, non-farm payroll day, and earlier in the morning, I'm always going to be talking Eastern Standard Time between 3:45 and 4:30. Euro numbers came out. Euro Italian Purchasing Manager Index, French Purchasing Manager Index, German Purchasing Manager Index, Eurozone Purchasing Manager Index Composite, Purchasing Manager Index for the pound, official reserves, and then the non-farm payroll. For Europe, things were down slightly. Nothing really to bark at. Status quo, if you will. Okay. Purchasing Manager Index for Germany down slightly. So, I mean, the euro, they have their troubles with Greece, Portugal, Spain, but things are doing fine there. And you know what? They always talk Greece. If I tell you how many times I heard Greece, I'd slip and break my neck. Okay, Greece this, Greece that. They're going to get the bailout. They're not going to get the bailout. It's such nonsense. Okay, U.S. on the other hand has some very serious issues. Okay, average hourly earnings 0.3, up slightly. Big deal. No one's working. It's up slightly. Change in non-farm payrolls. Expected 190K jobs to be added. Came out with 54. That's pathetic, by the way. Change in manufacturing payrolls. Minus 5K. Expected 15K. Down 5. I mean, it's ridiculous. Unemployment rate from 8.9, which was ridiculous, to 9.1. Now, when these numbers came out, I don't know what happened, but the euro against the US went up. The pound against the dollar went down. Like the US dollar got strong with the pound. It made no sense to me at all. It's like ridiculous. I wasn't really in it. I was in it and I made some money in it. I got out at what was it? 163 1.6338 got out. It went down to like 162.90 or something. Like, this is absurd. It should be much higher. I should have played that. What I did play was I played US CAD short, okay, and I got stopped out at like where they get stopped out at. I got stopped out at 98.15, 98.25, 98.30. I had a couple of positions. I got stopped out there. When it hit 98.50, I said to myself, this is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, shorted 100 grand, which was my largest position for the day, at 98.45. That was like, honestly, in my opinion, when I pulled the trade, I said to myself, I love this trade. I love this trade. It started going down. It started going down. I started piecing out 5 grand at a time. When it came down to 97, 92, I still had 65, 70,000 still in the kitty. It ended up closing today, I believe. It went down to like 97.55, and it closed at 97.70, where it was exactly before non-farm payrolls came out. I actually thought it was going to lower, but why it jetted up to begin with? The only reason why I can think it jetted up to begin with is because U.S. and Canada are so close together, they figure what's happening to one may be happening to the other. But don't get confused. First of all, I'm actually Canadian, by the way. Do not get confused. The United States of America is in the world of how you doing, and Canada is laughing. Okay, we're laughing compared to the U.S. But anyways, that's what I did, and you know, I want I don't have a finance background. I'm not a professional trader, but I feel as though in order to make money moving forward, I'm gonna have to master this. And I usually master everything I do in this world, and this is gonna be one thing that I'm gonna take out completely. Um, there are technical traders and there are fundamental traders, and you know what? These fundamentals that come out every single day. There's retail sales, there's unemployment, there's interest rates, information, um, trade balances. This tells the story. I don't really understand technical analysis. A lot of guys swear by it, but you know what? Seriously, makes no sense to me at all. Zero. I don't understand it, anyways. But this Forex calendar, it's like the Bible. The way I look at it, I follow it every single day. I go through it. Sometimes I even wake up in the morning and at 2 o'clock in the morning and I get the news announcements and I say, you know what? It's a tennis match. Which player is a stronger player? They may both be a good player, and they may both be crap, but one is definitely better than the other, no matter what. And that's what you got to do when you're trading currency. It's one country's dollar against the other country's dollar, and you got to find out which one is stronger than the other. They may both be in trouble. They may both have high unemployment, but one has got better unemployment than the other, or not as bad, I should say, and interest rates take effect, and inflation. You got to put it all together, and you got to weigh it out. And every single day, news comes out, and the situation changes, and you got to adapt to it. You got to move with it, and that's what I'm learning to do. And I hope that this will be my next career, and I enjoy it. And every single day, I'm gonna put a video up here, and I'm gonna go over every single news thing that went over, and I'm gonna tell you what I think. I thought guaranteed lock that the U.S. should CAD should increase over the U.S. dollar. It went up. Honest to God, it made no sense to me at all. And I always say, if it doesn't make sense, then it's got to make dollars. And that was the end of it. At the end of the day, I ended up losing, like, I don't know what it was. At the beginning, it was like 350, and then when I took that position short US CAD, I ended up making back 650. So my net gain was $300 for the day, which I thought was pretty good. And these are I'm looking to do these things more often and to see what happens. But I like numbers. I understand them, and I think I'm beginning to totally understand this here. And I got to make it my next stream of income. So stay tuned. I will be doing a video every single trading day, and stay tuned.